This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Hadden. Welcome to Forest Cove, a newly developed lakefront neighborhood with only 2 lakefront lots available on this desirable location on All Sports Crooked Lake, which has no public access. Mature trees, rolling terrain, parcels range from 1.91 to 3.15 acre sites, all are walkout lots. The exclusive developer/builder is Jim Roberts Construction, an award-winning and green certified builder. Check out the attached video for drone images. For more information, review the details below.